The topic of this experiment is reflection coefficient. Is to know that the standing wave are equal to the sum of the incident and reflected wave. So the basic accessory that we use is transmission line demonstrator TLD 511, links and terminator. Okay. When the ZO is larger than when ZL is larger than ZO, the reflection will happen. When the ZL is lower than the ZO, reflection happen, but in negative value. When ZL same with ZO, they will absorb the voltage and no reflection. Okay, first we take the 600 ohm resistance and 600 ohm resistance, and then we put it to ZO and ZL. Okay, and then we put something in the BS, between BS dengan VO. Okay, and then we set the run switch into run. And line length to add length. Okay, then we distribute the acceleration into minimum. After we check all the circuit is okay, we turn on the power. Then we set some input baca sini. Then operate the input into direction to A. Okay, stop. Sembilan. When ZL equal to ZO, the reflection coefficient will be 0. As we see the formula, ZL minus ZO divide ZL plus ZO equal to 0. ZL is 600 minus 600 divide 600 plus 600. We calculate it. It will be 0. And there is no reflection on the transmission line. Okay, let me see. You see, there is no reflection appear. Next, replace the 600 terminator at B with terminator of 200R. At B, replace it with 200R. Okay dah. Now that the ZO is bigger than the ZL, when we put the step input to A, a reflection will appear. This is what we call the reflection. Okay. So according to our formula, ZL
minus ZO divided by ZL minus plus ZO is equal to
Negatif.
negative 0.
Negatif 1. Dah tu memilih dia.
Negative 1 mana? Oh ni. Negative 1. Okay. ZL
Oh.
ZO is our ZL is 200 minus the ZO is 600. So the answer is 0.5. This is shows in the transmission line where when it gives 2 volt, but the reflection came out to minus 0.5. So now that the input from ZO is 2 volt and it comes back reflected with minus 0.5 volt. So we conclude that the 2 volt minus by 0.5 is equal to 1.5 volt. This 1.5 volt is absorbed to the ZL. Meanwhile, the other 0.5 was reflected back to the ZL.
Tunjukkan. Tahan. Dah cakap lah.
Okay. You can see what happened is this is the 2 volt that goes to ZO and reflected to ZL is 0.5, negative 0.5.
Okay. Next, replace the 200R terminator at B with terminator of 1K A, which is 1,008. 1,008 je. 1,008. Oh, sorry. Okay.
Where we put
When we put the step input into A,
okay, reflection will happen. Okay. The formula is when ZL is bigger than ZO, we put the formula ZL minus ZO divide ZL plus ZO equal to 1. If 1, which we take the 1,008 minus 600 divide 1,008 plus 600 equal to 0.254. Oh, volt. Okay. This proof when we put the step input into A and the reflected will become increased, which is 2 2 volt plus O 2.254 volt equal to 2.254 volt. This mean when the BL is too overload, they will hit the equipment and it will damage. Okay.
Yep.
Okay. So the conclusion that we have met in this experiment is we have observed standing wave on a transmission line, which is when ZO is equal to ZL, there will be no reflection, which means all the power sent down the line is absorbed at the termination and no signal returns.
Okay, after that, when the ZL is greater than ZO and ZL is lower than ZO, at the termination, complete reflection of the signal will be happen.
Okay, the end.